issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, northeastern Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, south central Grayson County in southwestern Virginia until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grassy Creek, or near mouth of Wilson, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson, West Jefferson, mouth of Wilson, Olney, Stratford, Grassy Creek, and Twin Oaks.
And that just about does it for that one SVR there. And the 254 also did its thing for its missile order monitor since I have it on.